Hey guys, it's Sarah from Dinners Made Simple. One of the most common questions I see about the Instant Vortex air fryer oven is, what function should I use? So hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you'll be notified anytime we post a video, and make sure you give us a thumbs up at the end of the video if you enjoyed it. So let's get into it. So I see the question asked all the time, what function am I supposed to use? So with the Instant Vortex air fryer oven, everyone wants to know, I'm baking brownies, what function do I use? I'm gonna cook a whole chicken, but I'm not rotisserie it. What function should I use? And the question's pretty simple, and the answer is pretty simple too. The Instant Vortex air fryer oven is just that. It's an air fryer that's shaped like an oven, just for convenience sake. So all of these functions that are listed on the front of the air fryer, the buttons for bake, broil, roast, air fry, they basically all operate the same. Well, in the Instant Vortex air fryer oven, it operates just like a typical air fryer. You have a fan that runs in the top, above a heating element, and then that blows the heat down onto the food to fry it without any oil. All of the presets are set just to function that way. The only functions that can be adjusted different are air fry and roast, and you can operate the rotisserie with those two functions, but none of the other functions. So if you need to bake a cake and your recipe calls for 375 at 20 minutes, it doesn't matter if you hit bake or air fry at 375 for 20 minutes, it's going to cook just the same. There's no difference in the way that the machine operates or heats or anything. They're just the same. So I hope that answers any questions that you have about the Instant Vortex air fryer oven and what function that you're supposed to use. It's basically the same as the manual button or the pressure cook button on your Instant Pot. So if you have any other questions, leave them down in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.